This is my suitcase full of clothes. This is much harder than I thought it was gonna be. That's gonna be so hard. My shoes are so beautiful. I love them. Today I am filming how I am forcibly becoming a minimalist. I've been in LA for about 2 years now. I've moved a plethora of times. I would say about 6 times. I lived in Santa Clarita, Santa Monica, West Hollywood, Hollywood Hills, North Hills to Venice Beach. And that's okay. But with moving comes a lot of packing and unpacking and kind of like setting up shop. With all of that, I've been clearing out my stuff and kind of just living this like forcibly minimalistic lifestyle as a female. And I've watched all of the vlogs and videos of how to become a minimalist and how to get rid of stuff. But I have always had a hard time getting rid of stuff because I like my shoes. I like having a lot of clothes and I like to have options. And I've started to realize that
I don't need it.
So this is a story of how I'm going to become more minimalistic and more organized, but in a way that fits me. And I think the thing with minimalism is people constantly are like, no, you just gotta get rid of shit. But it's honestly like, how much stuff is too much? And what is the threshold on where you start to get stressed out about your things? Do your things start to invade your space? And how do you keep yourself organized in a highly volatile moving situation? This is what we're gonna do. Things I cannot live without. Toothbrush. What else?
Clothes?
I have 3 weeks worth of underwear. No, I actually think I have more than that. How many pairs are too many pairs? Maybe limiting that to 7 pairs, 1 for every day. But then I also work out, and I usually do 2 pairs of underwear a day. How am I supposed to gauge this?
Choose items that spark joy for you.
Spark joy.
Indefinite pairs of underwear are okay to have. Underwear. Shorts. I probably have about like 10 pairs of shorts. I only really need like 5, that's a lot. Is that a lot? I don't know, I live in California. This is much harder than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe 2. Pants. How many pairs of pants? Wow, this is stressful. How am I supposed to scale all of my clothing down? I lose all my socks, so as many socks as you need. Similar to the underwear thing, the things I'm gonna get rid of. Heels. Yeah, fuck heels. Getting rid of those. That's gonna be so hard. My shoes are so beautiful. I love them. How many shampoos do I need? As women, we kind of tend to accumulate a lot of beauty products. I don't know if that's like a societal thing or us trying all these different things to be beautiful, to stay beautiful, to keep our skin nice and tight. I'm victim of the beauty product hoarding and all of the makeup. Like, how many makeup brushes do we really have? And do we really need? This is so hard. We're going to need tweezers, nail clippers. Do need a comb, and I have a comb. I have multiple different kinds of shampoos and conditioner just because I have curly hair and I have curly blonde hair. So in order to keep this stuff icy white, I have to have like 4 different kinds of conditioner.
Brooke, you're doing this wrong.
I have so much stuff.
You're saying you need this and this and this and this and this and this.
Yeah, I have all of it.
No, you have it.
Yeah.
Need it. Need 4 conditioners for hair?
It's healthy for my hair. Writing this list is getting me nowhere. It's just time to really go through my stuff instead of write this list because this list is stressing me out. So let's go do that. As you can see, I've made a lot of progress going through my stuff. Traveling with all this stuff and being so mobile right now in this life, I have just accumulated a lot of shit. Clothing specifically is really heavy, not really easy to transport. So it's time to only live with the necessities and the stuff that's easy to move. So this is my suitcase full of clothes. This is just one. I have another. We're gonna separate everything into pants, skirts, shorts, tops. That's it. That's what we're gonna do. Oh my God, look, my tap shoes. My Ravenclaw scarf. We're keeping these. Sorry, minimalism. My blue suit for Halloween. We don't need these. I need this. Maybe I do. Now let's pick out the stuff that really matters. This is gonna be hard. We have our piles here, pants here. This is like bottoms, swimsuits, and like crop tops and socks and underwear. And this is all of my tops. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna base off what are things that I need over the course of 2 weeks, and can I live off of just that stuff? Because right now, I could probably wear something new for like 3 months straight with all of the clothes I have here. All right, so let's get started. I feel like this category of clothing is something a lot of women can empathize with me on. It's like the socks and those sports bras and stuff like that. How many do we need? Do I just scale down to having the basics and just be like, I just need 1 black bra and we're good to go? I condensed all of my stuff down into underwear, random stuffs. I have pants, shirts, and a lot of my golf clothes. I had to keep all of those because those are expensive. Peeking through is the Hawaiian shirt. One must always have a quality Hawaiian shirt. All of my jackets. This is as far as I could go and be comfortable. I feel pretty good. I feel like I don't have a lot of shit to worry about now. That's that. If you're interested in doing minimalism, please comment below. I would love to hear where you're starting and or your frustrations about the things that are happening in your life. So from this, I learned how much of my identity I tie to my clothing, how much of it I let define me, and not to worry about that because ultimately your personality is really what matters. As corny as that is, it is true at the end of the day. If you like this video, like and subscribe and do all that stuff that people do. Push all of the buttons, and I will see you guys here next week with another fabulous adventure. Catch you guys later.
That's supposed to be the outro, Brooke.
I know.